Hello all, everybody. I am Shashank Rayazada, representing Delight Cinema and Delight Diamond in Delhi. I have been screening movies distributed by Mr. Anil Thadani since Chalte Chalte. That was his first movie. As far as Pushpa is concerned, when Pushpa 1 was being released, I used to tell my people that this picture is going to do something unheard of. Nobody used to believe me. And we started screening with a less number of shows and it grew. As far as Pushpa 2 is concerned, it has had a historical run. It has really beaten all records. The collections, we have got 1,200 seats, 1,200 seats. And on 1,200 seats, in the first week, we have crossed 92%. Nearly 1,000 people coming to see this movie every show. And even on the 8th day today, my matinee show would be still 85% plus. So it's a mind-blowing collection. This kind of a collection we used to see in old times with movies like Mere Gaon, Mere Desh, Arzu, Jangli. Those were the movies whereby we could say that all the 28 shows are full and continuously, and people had to be literally pushed around that, look, we don't have any seats. So I really thank Shri Allu Arjun ji and the entire team, the director Shri Sukumar ji and the producers and Shri Anil Thadani ji and Shri Surinder Paul ji, who is representing the Delhi office, thanking that they keep on giving such movies to our theaters and we keep on achieving bigger records. Thank you very much.
Check. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, what would you like to say?
Good afternoon, everyone. This side Dr. Pranav Garg from Maya Multiplex Cinema, Muzaffarnagar. First of all, sir, Pushpa एक नाम नहीं, एक brand है. And apart from that, very, very warm thanks from the exhibitor fraternity. What I can just do, shower my love and affection upon you, is this. We cinema are just providing service, but what matters really is the content. And the content by, in the supervision of Mr. Sir, that is Mr. Aluk Sir. He is again a brand, a fire brand. What I can say, not a wildfire, it'll be a fire out of control. People who are the cinema, like what I have a passion right now, they want the tickets at any price. We are running 8 shows because of the length. It's extremely cold, but I'm so glad people tell me at 2 a.m. in the morning, sir, we are ready to pay. We want the show to continue. But because we have to go in for maintenance also, we have to have cleanliness also, we are unable to project the next show, which is late night show. But we are trying, and with the hard work you have doing, I can only say कि Pushpa झुकेगा नहीं साला. Pushpa is not national now, it is international. And we can just hope कि again the sky would be the last limit for the success of Pushpa. This is a family business. My grandfather made this cinema in 1945. Somehow single screen cinema were not surviving. My father took again a motive to make a new cinema. I was blessed. I made it into a multiplex, and everything went wrong after COVID. We were very disappointed, but again, a day which I cannot forget would be 17th of December 2001.
Yes!
With Pushpa, we were back. And because my cinema opened somewhere around about 14th of February 2022. I got lots of criticism from my family members that you wasted 5 crores on renovation of the cinema. But with Pushpa, we knew we would set an example. Public loved you, sir. They were crying. They were like, when I was seeing a Kali role, what a passion, what a hard work. Your dance is absolutely incredible. I can go on for tonight. I can't stop. And sir, I don't know whether I'm right or wrong. We belong to Muzaffarnagar, and that is famous for Revdi and Gajak. My father reached yesterday from Delhi to Muzaffarnagar around about 8 o'clock. And when he knew that this was an event, he had sent a token of love for you, sir. So, because of you, cinema is gonna survive, and we all know you were a superstar, you are a superstar, and Anil sir is making excellent projects. Sukumar sir has been very, very innovative. So, extremely thankful, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. आपकी ये रेवड़ी गज्जक हम पहुंचा देंगे वहाँ तक. आप दे दीजिएगा. Okay, so he's all asking. Yeah, thank you. Can you please pass it on? Oh, you can also go here. Guys, big round of applause. मुजफ्फरनगर की रेवड़ी एंड गज्जक. अल्लू सर ट्राई करने वाले. Wow, what a moment, yeah. Thank you so much, sir. So you can also, if you wish to. Yeah.
Hello, sir. My name is Romit Kapoor. I'm from Agra. I'm playing 7 screens, and 7 screens only Pushpa 2 is going on. I must say that you have played a great legacy from Pushpa to Pushpa 2, from crores to 1,000 crores. And I'm just waiting for that moment which I'm going to see that Pushpa 3 is already breaking the record in public's heart. Thank you very much, Sukumar sir, for giving me such a good content to everyone. Everyone loves you, touched with the family emotions which you have given it. And once again, congratulations. Thank you very much to all of us for giving me such a good record.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words. Yes.
Hi, sir. My name is Ashutosh Agarwal. I belong to Prayagraj, and I have 12 properties in 31 screens. I don't know how to speak in front of public, but whatever I can say, I can tell you that in 6 days, my net collections are 1.75 crores, which is a historic.
Wow.
Rate. Never before seen such collections in my life. My career is only 25 years. I have not seen such collections. And one story I would like to share with you that happened in front of me. You have made every public a Pushpa. Everybody in the theater feels like a Pushpa. I went to the theater first day, 500-seater. It was jam-packed. In the interval, I see one guy sitting with his lap on the next seat. The usher goes and stops him till they take your leg down. He says, Pushpa, fire nahi hai, flower nahi hai, fire hai. So this is what you have made. You have made the public a Pushpa. So hats off to you, hats off to Maitri Movies, hats off to Allu sir, Anil sir, and please, we're waiting for the part 3, and fingers crossed for 2,000 crores. All the best.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, yes, please hold the mic a little closer, yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nimit from Shri Cinema Agra. I just want to say one thing. We have a single screen cinema. It is a 860-seater cinema. So till yesterday, we have 100% occupancy. All 28 shows were houseful, back to back.
Great, sir.
Almost 3,500 people per day.
Wow.
So Pushpa rocks, seriously. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sanjay, and I come from M2K Cinema. It's in Delhi, in the north Delhi, basically. We have 2 locations, 5 screens. First 6 days, 100% occupancies, 25 shows, back to back. One thing I would like to mention is that right now, Delhi experiences a lot of cold. It's too chilly. But the morning shows in our cinema start before 8, and the last shows is at midnight. And all are full. So this is a great achievement. If I talk about the figures, in the first 6 days, sir, we have done more than 10% of the business of this fiscal year, the financial year. The movies in the past were not doing so well, but then the 6 days have actually turned around, fantastically well for us. I think thank you to you, sir, Allu sir. Thank you to Sukumar sir. Thank you to Anil sir. And I think thank you to everybody who's, looked at this movie for a long time. Just a couple of more reactions to share. We are very we promote our cinemas digitally. In 1 week, we had more than 2.5 million reach for the digital promotions that we did. The engagements
Wow.
were approximately
Guys, big round of
100,000,
applause, yeah, come on.
75,000 plus engagements in 1 week for this movie, and the contest we run, you know, we could not respond to those. Thank you very much, sir. I have 2 things to say before I close. One is that this movie has done the fastest 1,000 crores, and I wish you the fastest 2,000 crores. Second thing, the question is in my eyes, is Pushpa 3, the date. Thank you very much. Thank you so much all.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Ashutosh
everyone.
ji, thank you so much. Shashank ji.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Romit ji.